Sydney's been busy decorating a card for our neighbor who got her a little stuffed bear and a yummy cookie. Can we see the inside or in the front? Oh, it's okay, I'll wash my hand. So cute. Yeah. What's up, you guys, and welcome back. We are doing the last video before Christmas. It's kind of crazy. I feel like it came so fast. So fast since ever since Momtober. Anywho, Sydney and I are gonna pop into the post office last time before Christmas.
You can say poop too.
Okay. I have an order to pick up at Target. We're gonna grab lunch not out, but we're probably just gonna go through the drive-thru, which is something we like never do, very rare. So we're gonna go do that and try to get in the festive spirits. I really want to make sure my house is super clean before, you know, Christmas trashes it and all of that stuff. Make room for some new things, right, kid? I am going to be making a homemade mac and cheese. I think I said this in my last video. So I need to, I need to run to Hannaford super quick and grab, I want to grab my Gouda cheese and make the homemade mac and cheese that I made like in my last fall cook with me video. Okay, let's go to the post office. It's going to be a madhouse everywhere we go, I'm sure.
I don't want to go in the room.
What?
I don't want to go in the room.
I know, me either. It's probably going to be a madhouse everywhere we go because I'm sure everyone has you know, last minute things to do, or they're off from work for vacations and whatnot, and schools, and it's okay. We're here. I'm excited. I'm so excited for Christmas.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So Taco Bell it is. It's only like the second or third time in my life I've been to Taco Bell, so I don't even know what to order. But I thought it sounded good because everyone else raves about it, and I don't know. Anywho, that's what we're gonna do, and then of course Sydney says she has to go potty, so we're gonna quickly grab this, and then we need to run to Target so Sydney can go potty and I can pick up my order. Hi, can you do the Crunchwrap Supreme with chicken by chance?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, I would love one of those.
Okay.
And then the chicken chipotle melt. And then, do you have any kid-sized drinks, like kid milk or?
I mean, we have like orange juice and bottled water, but I could do a small of anything.
We'll do a small orange juice, I guess. I got a chicken crunch wrap and two chicken chipotle melts, which look like little burrito wraps.
Mama, I like orange juice.
Okay, we made it. Sydney went potty. Look at, she's so excited. I can't block the sun. We won't film, I guess. Sydney went potty, picked up my order. Since we were already inside anyway, I decided to just pick it up, anyway. And now we're gonna finish eating our lunch because we're starving. And then I do need to get gift cards. I was supposed to go the other day, but I decided not to. So we will go today. She's so excited to sit in the front seat. There's more, don't worry, I have another wrap, okay? Mama took a bite of her wrap. And then you can have a little bit of juice, but I don't want you to drink it all. Just a little bit, okay?
I'm not gonna do that.
Okay, good idea. So that you don't have to go potty in the car when we're driving. So we're gonna eat our lunch, quickly pop into Target, grab, I only needed a couple more gift cards. I've pretty much done all my shopping, obviously at this point. And then after that, we'll probably pop into the grocery store really fast. It's busy, like the parking lot is super full, but when you're inside it actually seems fairly calm. It's kind of weird, but it's kind of nice. Anyway, the Crunchwrap is, oh, you okay?
Okay, I'm fine.
Okay, this Crunchwrap though is actually really decent. I can't believe I think I usually don't do Taco Bell, or I don't even think of Taco Bell because I always think of beef.
And I like
Good to
Taco
know.
Bell.
Pretty good. This is pretty good. So we are home now. Quickly popped over to Hannaford, grabbed some things, and now we're home. Losing daylight so fast. It's like if I don't film by 3 o'clock, it's like no, not gonna work. Anywho, now I'm gonna clean up the living room. It's not horrible, but there, you know, as you just saw, there are things happening. And then clean up the playroom as well. I'm gonna try to like speed clean. I do have dishes to do after that, but I really want to focus on cleaning up the living room and the playroom for when Christmas.
And I'm trying to, and I need to find my choice so that I can decide which musical instrument it's not pointing or not, and okay, but this is an instrument.
The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
People often ask me how does Sydney play independently, and here's your answer. Sydney's done such a good job at cleaning up her playroom, helping mommy. I'm finally to the point where I'm ready to filter out the age-appropriate toys. It's time for mommy to let go of some of the younger toys and put them in storage, somehow find room. Oh my goodness. It's partially why I haven't put them away, because I feel like I just have no room to store them, but I don't want to get rid of them. I don't know, hanging on for the fact that A, you know, they're costly and sentimental in some sort of value, and then B, like, I don't know if there's another child in my life ever again, or if, like, you know, who knows. I just am not ready to like let them go out the door quite yet. So I've got laundry switched over already to the dryer, dishes, dishwasher's running. I've got dinner in the oven. I'm just finishing up the HelloFresh meals that I got this week, so that's what we're doing tonight, just another one of those meals.
And put some big fat golden stars in your book for me.
Okay, how good does that look? You guys, I'm so hungry. I have the largest portion course, Sydney has her portion. And we are ready to chow. Are you ready to chow?
I'm hungry.
Okay. Okay, totally should have made this one when they sponsored me. Because this one is so good. Wow. And that's the pile of laundry I'm folding tonight. This is so good. I love the, like, I don't know, the sauce on top. Onion, zucchini, sweet potato, and mushrooms.
What's this?
What's what? Onion. Or the sauce?
What's this?
That's onion, honey. It's just like roasted onion.
But what is the mushroom?
In there somewhere, I'm sure. Alright, you guys, that is going to do it for today's video. I gave Sydney a bath, put her to bed, and now I'm myself going to be ready for bed soon. So I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to you guys. Make sure your notification bell is turned on so that you know when I upload. I'll see you guys after Christmas. And make sure you follow me on Instagram as well, Chic Mama. That way you can see us and our festivities over the next few days. Of course, I'll be posting on Instagram stories and whatnot. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday and I love you guys. Bye.